KH point group. This is also a special symmetry point group, and here the structure it describing is spherical shape, right? Spherical, nothing but a ball, a cricket ball, a football, right? Which have a round shape, right? A round shape multi in all three dimension. In all three dimensional, it is an spherical shape multi. It is when thus the multi, the number of elements it here possible, the order of KH point group is infinite. Infinite number of elements it has, right? The infinite number here, what it will possible is, anyway it will have identity. All the elements, all the structures will have identity. So here the cladohedron also have the cladohedron spherical shape also has the identity. In including of that, it will have C infinity of infinite number of C infinities, right? When you do take an axis in any orientation and do any minute point of degree, right, on spherical, even if you do minute point of rotation, right, so it will give you an equivalent configuration, isn't it? It will give you an equivalent configuration or not? Yeah, it will surely generate an equivalent configuration. So considering this particular, this is the ball is an spherical shape. So this particular axis I considered and doing 120 degrees rotation, it gives you a similar structure, isn't it? The position of the element is changed? No, it is still in the spherical shape in the same place, which nothing but when the position of multi is not changing, nothing but it's generating configuration is equivalent configuration, right? So here in this you do 120 degrees of rotation, we have done. So you do 30 degrees of rotation, yeah, I have done. So it is again an equivalent configuration. So when you do 270 degrees of angle, right, it will be right, that is also an equivalent configuration. Do 1 degree of rotation, right, I have done, right, seen, this is what the 1 degree, right, I have done, right, that is also an equivalent configuration. You do minute point, not 1 degree angle, yeah, I have done. You may not looking into the angle of rotation, but still I done, and thus minute degree of angle also an equivalent configuration generates, right? So which means the minute angle nothing but the order of such rotational axis will become infinite, right? So thus infinite rotation axis, right, here it will be possible in spherical shape, right? So the number of infinite number of the infinite folds rotational axis, number of rotations will be, number of axis will be infinite, right? So like this it will be have infinite number of C infinities, C2s, infinite number of C3s, infinite number of C4s, whatever the fold of rotation if you want to do, they will be infinite number, right? So here it may be the one axis, right? Here on horizontally when you apply one axis, right, so you can apply in down front, right, vertically. In this case also, when you do this, when you do here in vertically, when you taking multi and doing rotation, there's also, right, a minute 60, 30, 0, 1, 0.0001, whatever the angle you rotate, it give you an equivalent configuration, right? So like this in all, right, in whatever the orientation you take an axis and do any minute of angle, any number of angle, it gives you an rotational axis. So there will be infinite number of infinite fold number rotational axes are possible in spherical shape, right? So in including of that, there will be infinite number of dihedral planes, infinite number of vertical planes, infinite number of horizontal plane, all can be possible in infinite number, right? So if this is the particular principal axis, if we consider by perpendicularly, if we apply this particular plane and bisect the molecule, bisect the spherical shape into equal half, it reflect the equal halves and give you an horizontal plane. How many there are, right, infinitely we can apply this orientation, this, because there are infinite number of principal axis can be possible. In this particular you can have C infinity, In this orientation you have C infinity. In this orientation you have C infinity. So in this orientation you have C infinity, right? So if we particularly we take this particular and principal axis, for which perpendicular when we apply plane, this is an CH, right? Sorry, sigma h. For this particular axis if you consider and if you apply plane, this will be a sigma h. Like that, any orientation there will be multiple and infinite number of sigma h it will be possible, right? Same to that for a spherical shape, right? This is a C2, it could be have. This is another C2, it could be have. For this angle, if it is bisecting plane when we consider and we make bisect, it will give you an equivalent configuration that will become dihedral plane, right? So like this there will be dihedral plane, horizontal plane, vertical plane also be possible, right? Where this particular principal axis when we consider and when we are making a plane along with this principal axis, it will give you an equivalent configuration. Like this it will also have the dihedral plane, and as it is having a rotational axis infinite number, along this infinite rotational axis if you are applying improper axis, it will have infinite number of improper axis, right? Like this it will also have an infinite number of improper axis. And there is also inversion center, right? Any point of moiety when you are inverting, it give the other will be an inverted, it give you an equivalent configuration, right? Altogether there's also an symmetry element possible in a clayhedron moiety, right? So like this there are infinite number of all the elements could be possible in clayhedron, right? So which means its order is infinity, right? So this is how the icosahedron 120 elements in icosahedron point group, and there are infinite number of elements in clayhedron point group, right? So here I stop this session of class. So I hope these lectures could be helpful for you. Thank you.